Welcome dear children. Today we are going to learn our GK subject. Everyone have a book called Timeline? Yes. Today we are going to start our first chapter of Timeline. The first chapter is Amazing Birds. Yes, we see many birds around us. They have different colors and different size and different shape and different voices. Yes, now today we see many kind of birds. See children, it is lyrebird, a ground-dwelling Australian bird that is most notable for their superb ability to mimic nature. It easily mimic the nature and artificial sound from their environment, and the striking beauty of the male bird's used tail when it fanned out. It is very beautiful bird with a beautiful tail. It is peregrine falcon. This is a cosmopolitan bird of prey in the family of falconid. In Pakistan, it is officially the military iconic symbol of the PAF, means Pakistan Air Force, and unofficial territory bird of Gilgit-Baltistan. It is a military icon of Pakistan. Yes, it is whistling swan. This is an all-white bird of amazing grace and beauty. Its bill is black, sometimes with a yellow spot at the base. This bird has most feathers. See, it looks very beautiful. An owl. They are nocturnal birds. It means they can see at night. They feed on small mammals such as rodents, insects and other birds. A few species like to eat fish as well. Nocturnal means it can see at night. Owl bird. It is also nocturnal bird of South America that lives in caves and feeds on fruits, mainly the nuts of oil palms. Now let us see second chapter. It is incredible flowers. We see many flowers around us and they have beautiful colors and sweet smells. Yes. Now let us see many flowers. Yes, it is carnation. This flowers is older more than 2000 years. Its name comes from ancient Greece, while others argue that it derived from carnis. It is a Latin word and it means flesh. It symbolizes fascination and love. It can be found in many shades and colors. It is tulip. This flower became popular in 17th century when they started growing in Holland. They are available in many interesting colors, from red and yellow to more unusual shades of light blue and purple. It is daisy. It has simplest design. They are incredible beautiful flowers. These flowers symbolize purity and innocence. It can be grown anywhere provided that you provide them enough water. It is sunflower, also known as helianthus. Its name comes from the Greek word helios, that means the sun, and the anthos, that means flowers. It is believed to have originated from the Americas. Nowadays it cultivated for its seeds. It can reach over 1 meter in diameter and the actual flower has deep yellow petals and brown seedy center. These are daffodils. These flowers symbolize friendship. They are shaped like star and bloom in the spring season in cluster. Native of the Mediterranean region, this gorgeous flower can also be found in shades of yellow and orange, white and orange, lime and green, pink and more. It is Irish flower. This flower names come from the name of a Greek goddess and messenger of love meaning rainbow. The main symbol of this flower is eloquence. They are available in numerous colors from red and brown to yellow, orange, pink and even in black. It is lilac. In the Greek mythology, the story of this flower is quite fascinating. When the god of fields and forest, Pan, is cultivated by Syringa's beauty, he started chasing her. Terrified by Pan, the nymph turns into an aromatic flower. This purple flower is an omen to the spring season and it symbolizes emotions and love and admiration. Lily of the valley. Can you believe that? This incredible small flower has most powerful scent. It smells very nice. It blooms in the spring. It has long leaves and bell-shaped flowers that grow in clusters. Some people know it under the name of Mary's tears or Our Lady's tears. So, children, it's all about birds and flowers. So, bye bye. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.